Here we are at the Kinuza Dam. Water's really low right now, but sky is absolutely crystal right now. It's crazy. We're having a good day, no joke. I'm gonna pop a picture of the marina and the bridge that we crossed to get over here, because just really great stuff out here. And when the cars aren't going by, it is super cool hearing these runoffs off the mountain. It's awesome. So we're gonna see if we can walk out of the dam, what's going on. And again, the water is really low, unfortunately, but it's just been a great day. Cheers. Look at that. Water's low, but on this side, it's going good. There's actually a rainbow, I could see. Look at that. There's a rainbow on PA Outdoors Couple for you. Boom, done. That's fantastic. That is beautiful. One of these days we're going to go to the Pimatuming Dam, where the carp are so thick there, ducks walk on their back to get the bread people throw at them. That is something else. The funny thing is, you really couldn't hear it on the other side where the car was, but as soon as you got closer, the roar just started, and you could really hear it. Alright, cheers guys. Here's our rainbow. Looking good. Just a rainbow in the dark. Alright. Now here's a level from above it, semi above it. But we are on the dam right now. Trying very hard not to drop my phone. Fantastic. Wonder what big catfish are living down in those turbid waters. Awesome stuff. Cheers.